Welcome to Mimic channel again. Today I am going to explain you about very interesting product. Which product is useful for you in industries or also in domestic purposes. It is manufactured by industrial duty but applicable to all. Suppose you are in a program, suppose a wedding program or whatever the program is there, and the light goes. So this light, which light will be on? This emergency light will be on. This is manufactured by Mimic. This is emergency street light. This can be fitted in your societies, in your gangways, on the roads, everywhere these street lights can be fitted. So whenever the light goes, it will be automatically on. I'll show you how it gets on. It is automatically on. Battery is fitted inside. It is a lithium ion battery, very powerful battery, very reliable battery inside. In this we have got variations from 12 watt to around 60 watts depending upon your requirements. About 12 to 16 watt, generally this 12 watt is sufficient for small gangways and small societies. The special function in this is, suppose the light goes in the morning, what will happen? So we have provided one photo cell over here. If the light falls on it, sunlight falls on it, it will not be on. I will show you. I will make it on first. Now this is on. Now suppose this photo cell, it is open to light, this light is off. When the photo cell is closed, light is on. This is the special function given for not getting on in the morning. It gets on only when there is a dark and light has gone. So these are the two functions needed to make it on. The charging is continuous by 230 volts. You have to give it to it 24 hours. It is having over voltage charging protection, under voltage protection, overcharging protection, under charging protection, deep discharge protection. All protections are given inside this street light. So you don't have to worry whether it is 24 hours, nothing is going to happen to the battery. And when the light goes, it becomes on and automatically gets cut off exactly after 1 hour to avoid the deep discharge of that particular battery. Again, when the light comes, it gets charged. Again, it light goes, it will be on. So it is a compulsory product for each industry, each commercial premises, societies, or even the functions. Mimic manufactures this emergency street light. If you want to know more or you want to purchase, you can contact us on mail mimic.cells@gmail.com, or my name is Anand. You can contact me on 9821252022. Thank you.